What is standing? Have you ever wondered what it really means to have the right to bring a lawsuit? This concept is known as standing, and it plays a vital role in federal courts. Standing determines if a party is the right person to initiate a case. It ensures that only those with a real stake in the outcome can bring their disputes before the court. To establish standing, a plaintiff must meet 3 core requirements. The first requirement is called injury in fact. This means the plaintiff must have suffered or be facing a concrete and particularized injury. The injury needs to be real and not just hypothetical. It can be economic, like losing money, or non-economic, like emotional distress. The key point is that it must be a genuine harm to a legally protected interest. The second requirement is causation. Here, there must be a direct connection between the injury and the actions of the defendant. The plaintiff's injury should be traceable to the defendant's conduct, not caused by some unrelated third party. This ensures that the court is addressing the right issue and the right person. The third requirement is redressability. This means that it must be likely that a favorable decision from the court will remedy the injury suffered by the plaintiff. The court needs to be able to provide a solution that addresses the harm. These 3 requirements help courts focus on actual disputes where parties have a personal interest. This prevents the judicial system from getting bogged down with generalized grievances or abstract policy disagreements. It also respects the separation of powers by keeping courts from stepping into political questions or broad public concerns. In addition to these constitutional criteria, courts may apply prudential considerations. For example, they may not allow claims from third parties who are not directly affected. They might also requiring that the plaintiff's interests fall within the zone of interests protected by the relevant law or statute. From a law school perspective, understanding standing is essential. It governs federal jurisdiction, which is about whether a federal court has the authority to hear a case. The standing doctrine acts as a gatekeeper, filtering out cases that do not present a concrete legal controversy between opposing parties. This concept is foundational in courses on constitutional law and federal procedure, shaping how and when courts can intervene in disputes. Practically speaking, standing means that a plaintiff cannot simply sue because they disagree with a law or government action. They must demonstrate that they have been harmed in a way that the court can address. For instance, a general concern about the environment does not grant standing unless the plaintiff can show specific injury caused by the actions being challenged. In essence, standing is about the legal capacity to bring a lawsuit. It requires a real injury linked to the defendant's actions and a remedy available from the court. This ensures that courts are resolving concrete disputes involving parties with a direct interest, maintaining the proper role of the judiciary in the American legal system.